Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the 5th floor. It's going to be similar to the last floors, and I've already skipped ahead the step of deleting all the perimeter beams, so we can just go ahead and get started on the perimeter beams, just drawing them in. If you remember from the last time, or if you already have the drawings in front of you, then you'll see know that each of these will be 20 feet long, but they're just going to be staggered from their positions on the first floor. I already went ahead and did that corner piece, but you should know how to do those by now. So now let's go ahead and do the first array. Click it, then do array. Change that to 5. And there we go, that's the south view. Same thing with the west side here. Now I'm going to ungroup all these before I do the mirror. I may have forgotten to mention this in some of the last videos, but you're going to want to ungroup all of your beams on every floor before you copy them up to the next floors, which I'll be doing in the next video. So go back, check your work, make sure everything is ungrouped for the horizontal beams. Because if you're going to have to repeat it for every floor, which can be tedious work. If you do plan on coloring the beams, then you will need to ungroup them. So let's check and see. Yep, they're all ungrouped except for our temporary grid lines, which is fine. So now we can mirror them. I'm actually going to go ahead and do this diagonal beam here. If you place these temporary grid lines, it's going to make drawing these beams a whole lot easier because you already have something to snap onto. Now let's go to modify. I'm going to go ahead and click these diagonal beams here because I'm going to mirror them as well. Mirror peg axis. And there we go, now they're there. I can go ahead and pull these in. Now I can mirror this other side. And that's the A side. Just checking to see if everything that we want ungrouped is, which it is. So now let's check it in the 3D view. And yes, it all looks good. You can tell that these beams are lined up with the diagonal, so it all looks smooth and even. And that is the end of the 5th floor. So now we can copy all these beams onto the remaining floors.